talking about giving and receiving of points, what happens to those points? So if you are a paid account in Assembly, you have the option to configure gift cards, swag, charities, and then culture rewards are something that's available to all customers, just, not just paid. So free customers can configure any sort of custom culture rewards that you want. So these don't cost anything. So the cost is just kind of what you want to set. It doesn't actually equate to any dollar value like gift cards and charities do. So I'll show you in just a second how to set these up, but this is what the rewards catalog looks like for your users. So I have, 4,200 points. I want to spend it all on Amazon. I could do this and then redeem. And then in my inbox, I receive an email with a gift card that I can redeem at Adidas. We have a pretty robust suite. As you can see, there's 192 gift cards. If you are in a different country, we'll auto detect which country you're in so that you are only shown gift cards that can be used in your country. So I was just in Spain. So these are all of the gift cards that were available to me in Spain. And there are some universal ones. So we cover just about every country, but there are some universal ones that are available. It's mainly Amazon and potentially a Visa gift card. So no matter where you are, there's something that you can do with these points. Another favorite of mine are charity donations. Some of these are US based, some of these are international. So you can, similarly to gift cards, you can select a charity that you feel passionately about or you want to contribute to, and you can redeem your rewards for a charitable donation, which is something that I really love about Assembly. Swag, this is something that requires an Axomo subscription. So we partnered with Axomo to bring in whatever your swag catalog is there to allow you and your team to redeem your points for swag, which is a really cool option. So just to really quickly to configure these rewards, you go to here, you go to gift cards. So this is, we'll show you all of the gift cards that are available in, we don't control these gift cards, we import them from a third party. So whenever they add gift cards, we add it into our catalog as well. So you can individually manage if you want to do all countries, you can turn all cards off, or, you can turn them on. You can individually select which ones you want to be configured. If you're like, hey, we have a team in Canada, but we don't want them to have gift card access. So you just want them to have culture rewards, for example. You can turn all cards off in a specific country if you'd like. So similarly, it's for charitable donations. They operate the same exact way. Culture rewards is, again, this is we offer these as well as, paid rewards, because some culture rewards are really, really cool. Like you might have something that's super unique to your company or to your team that you want to offer somebody. So say, you have somebody that really loves to work on a side passion project. You can create a culture reward that's like, take a day off every month to work on your passion project. Or you can have it be like, get a book on us, and, you can have it be redeem your points for a book of your choice. Let's say we make that 300 points to redeem. You upload an image. I don't even know if I have any, maybe just a random screenshot for now. You can pick a much nicer image, but I'm just doing this for the sake of the demo. And then you'll see if I go back to here, and I go to my rewards catalog, culture, it's right here. And this can be redeemed at any time. And what happens when you redeem a culture reward is this is fulfilled by the admins in your Assembly. So the admins will get an email saying, hey, this person redeemed this culture reward for, on this date. And then it's up to the admins in your Assembly to fulfill that order. So making sure that that person who redeemed the reward gets it. This is not something that we control, again, because we have no idea what your culture rewards are. So these are, the fulfillment is on you all within your Assembly.